Hey guys, we're out at Lady Bird Lake where medics say they spotted a motionless body in the water. It's really hard to tell because we're on the other side, but right here is where rescuers were working. There were helicopters one helicopter in the area earlier. Medics had tweeted a few minutes ago that a person had been swept away off of 9th Street over by Shoal Creek, and that it was possible that they had been swept down to the South 1st Street Bridge. We don't know if that's the same person, but this is just what it looks like outside right now. It's raining, it's thundering, the water's moving pretty fast. Can you see anything?
I see the rescuers.
Right. It looks like there are like at least 5 emergency rescuers on the other side where those kayaks are.
Can you zoom in?
I can't zoom in. Let's see what happens when I go down here. Woo! Woo. Alright, let's see. Gonna stand on a rock. Okay. Maybe that's a little clearer. Alright, if you guys are just now tuning in, ooh, I just turned the video around on myself. Anyway, if you guys are just now tuning in, we're out here at Lady Bird Lake. This is Mary, my other breaking news reporter, and James, our photographer. Hello. But we're out because a motionless body was reported in the water. So that's what's going on. Oh, gotcha. We're gonna turn it away. Should we go up to the bridge?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh. We wanna be respectful of what's going on, so we're gonna take y'all around and just show you a little bit about how it's raining out here. We're out here on the trail right now. Mary, have there been any updates from the medics? We're gonna check and see
if they are giving any new reports. So yeah, last they said was just the reported body motionless in the lake. So they haven't made contact yet. See.
Oh, there's a new update.
Okay, now we have a new update. Medics have pronounced the person dead on the scene, so they found a man estimated to be in his 50s in the water here at Lady Bird Lake. So not sure yet if that is the person that was swept away from Shoal Creek. That's a couple miles, I would guess, at least,
right,
north of here. So the body or the person would have traveled pretty far down the water.
And as you can see from where we're standing on the trail, the water is pretty high. It's pretty muddy. It started raining a little bit ago. Yesterday it rained almost 2 inches at Camp Mabry. I believe that's what it was. And so the grounds are pretty saturated from all the rain we've been getting, and so meteorologists were warning about flooding in the area. We obviously don't know a lot about what happened to the person who was swept away, or if they were swept away by Shoal Creek. So we're still gonna be looking for more info on that. But this is just kind of what it looks like right now downtown. It's not raining too bad.
Yeah, forecasters are saying that the rain is expected to move out of the area entirely by the afternoon and should be clear by this evening. That's what I saw last. It might be even clear through tomorrow evening. More severe weather is expected. So obviously on top of all this rain we've seen in the past week, there's going to be additional flooding concerns until at least Saturday when the rain is expected to stop.
And we're having some readers comment and wondering if this is the Congress Bridge. It is. I think we're gonna go ahead and try and walk up there just so we can see what the water looks like from up there. It's pretty muddy and gross down here. And we are Yeah. Oh, you can go. Oh, okay. For those of you who are just now tuning into the Facebook Live, we had come outside over here on the trail of Lady Bird Lake by the Congress Avenue Bridge. Medics had said that they spotted a motionless body in the lake, and rescuers were responding, and then we later got an update that a man thought to be in his 50s was found dead. We're obviously waiting for more information on that. And right now we're gonna go up the Congress Avenue Bridge just to see, what the water looks like, if there's any traffic from the rain. We'll see what we can see up here. We've made it on top of the bridge. It's a little loud. There was a helicopter out here earlier when we first came outside. I don't see it anymore, and I don't hear it. It was pretty loud. So we're just gonna come over here. Some lightning just flashed. And as you can see, the roads are pretty slick out here. Meteorologists have been warning people, turn around, don't drown, be careful out on the roads. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and see what it looks like, see what the lake looks like. All right. As you can see, it's pretty muddy and gross outside, and it's pretty high. Guys, I think that's all we've got for now. Go ahead and head over to statesman.com for more information on weather conditions and rescues and all of the above.